Alright guys, we back for another quick video. My cluster on the truck, the lights for the miles per hour, the gas hand, and the battery, the voltage. The lights had dimmed, they wasn't working, but like the RPM light still worked, but oil pressure light still worked. I got the oil pressure sensor unplugged. A lot of noise, but yeah, those lights still work, but it was a few of them that weren't working, so I just went ahead and got a new cluster with LEDs in the back. I lost a few miles. Mine was like 208.7, something like that. I don't know. I lost a few miles, but I wasn't tripping. I just wanted some LEDs back there, some nice bright lights, and it all to be lit up at nighttime. So I just swapped it out. It was pretty easy. It's a screw right there that you can see. 7mm socket or a 932. That's what I use to get it out. There's another one right there. There's two more on the other side. One over there. And another one down there. So it's pretty simple. Take out those 4 screws. First I took off this part right here. The face of the dash. When I popped that off, that popped right off. I took out these 4 bolts. Took out the 4 bolts. And I took out the 4 bolts, popped the harness out. Now, when I took the harness out, the harness was not easy to come out. There was a little latch. The little latch has to be unlatched or it won't move. You're going to be pulling it. You're going to break the motherfucker. Don't break it. Fucking just make sure it's unlatched and then wiggle slowly. Wiggle firm, but slowly. And it'll come out. I had to let the wheel down. I had to let the gear down. But it all worked out, man. It was pretty simple. If I did it, trust me. Trust me when I say this. If I did it, you can do it. So if you're trying to get a cluster with LEDs in the back, I found mine on, I don't know, Marketplace or eBay, something like that. I think I found it on eBay. I got it on eBay, got it shipped to me. That's the new one. Like I said, I lost a few miles, but I ain't tripping. I got all the lights lit up. And here's the old one. Yeah, man, it was pretty simple, man. Like I said, if I did it, it's simple. So I hope this helps somebody out, man. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Took some information from this video that was helpful to you in some way, just like the video, man, or that's the least you can do. But if you're a real one, subscribe to the channel. Stay tapped in with all the latest content. Yeah, man, we out.